Hello traders, so I'm back with another video, and in this video I will take a trade and will explain you everything in detail. But first of all, I have an important announcement to make. See, if you find anybody on any social media platform selling you any courses or account management service on the name of trusted spots, then it is all scam because I don't sell courses and I don't manage account. So please stay away from such scam. Nowadays, what I'm finding is some of these scammers, what they are doing, they are using the same display picture of trusted spots and the name, and they are commenting on our videos, telling traders, giving them WhatsApp number and asking for the money. So please stay away from such scam. It's all scam. Whenever I am replying to any comment, you will always see a dark theme behind the name of trusted spots. This will help you to differentiate between me and the scammers. So please stay away from such scam. If anybody is asking money on the name of trusted spot, this is all scam. So let's take trade and then I will explain everything in detail. So as you can see, we are on the USD Canadian chart and the trend looks very keen to me, clean, and it's uptrend. So what we will do, we will draw a trend line here because this is a clean chart and I guess we are going to take a reversal trade here. So this is our pattern, chart price action pattern, and this is a support level of, and this is a resistance level. So what we are waiting is waiting for a breakout in either direction and then we will take the trade. So as you can see, market is kind of ranging here. So what market needs in this case is a breakout to release some pressure. So we will also wait for the breakout and then we will take the trade. So it is trying to go down. Let's see if the market will able to or not. Let's see. Okay, so it looks clear to me and we will take a trade for the sell here. Let me explain the trade first. So this was the support level, this was the resistance. The market was moving in a range after uptrend. Now as it is going in the upward direction, what market needs is it will retrace for some times. The retracement didn't happen for a very longer period of time from this level till this level market reached without retracing for a longer period of time. So market has to reverse and to retrace. So what I find here is the breakout with a good strong candlestick, and this resistance line also state that the minor trend is downtrend. So what I'm doing here is taking a minor trend and placing the trade because I found a breakout with a strong candlestick pattern. So this is the concept behind the trade, and let's wait for the result. The result is going to come out in the next 4 minutes, and I'm sure that this breakout is going to work for sure. So let's wait. Let's see. So that what market is doing is it is going up, and what it will do, it will retest this level, and after touching it, it will reverse again, and that's how it will go down. So let's see. I'm sure about this trade. We have taken a 5 minute trade here. We have to wait, and until then we will try to find more trading opportunity if possible. So I will change the chart and okay, here Market is also ranging, so we will not take a trade here, and in this case it's also ranging, so we will stick with our chart here. So as you can see, market the trade is going in our favor, which is a good thing. What we have predicted is working on this chart, and this is all what we want. And you can see a good moment from the chart, from the coming from the traders. So we will wait. As the minor trend is downtrend, we have the breakout in the direction of the minor trend. We have a strong candlestick pattern confirming us that the volume and the interest of sellers is here. The candlestick pattern is also Marubozu, so which also makes us uh, gives us confidence that yes, this is the trading opportunity, and so that's why I have placed the trade. Now the trade is going to finish in the next 1.5 minutes, so we will wait and see. Until then, we will try to find one more opportunity, because I don't have that much time, but still, if we have an opportunity, I will take the trade. And see, in this chart, if you look carefully, what you will find here is this is the range, and this is the range. Market is ranging, you can see market is ranging here, so I don't want to take any trade here, because previously it retraces itself again, it goes up, it reverses from that same level approximately, and again now it's traveling in the box, so it's a ranging market. What we need is a breakout, and for me the breakout may take up to 10 to 20 or maybe hours of time to break this level, so we will not going to take any trade over this chart. I will switch the chart, and here also we have a strong level of resistance. Here you can see this is the resistance, and this is the trend, so we can wait here to take the trade, and okay, this trade goes in our favor and it gives us a good result. Now market is at this level, you can see this is a strong level, so I will try to take a trade here if possible. This looks good to me, and a strong level, so if we have any confirmation, then I will take the trade, otherwise I have to finish this video, because this breakout will take time, okay, because market can travel up to that time and then it can break, so it will take approximately around 15 minutes, so we don't have that much time. But here, as you can see, we have a strong level of support, a good level. Now what I need here is market needs to get weak, because it is traveling for a longer period of time and now it can retrace. It is getting weaker, you can see this is a sign that market is weak. Now if we have a strong confirmation here, we will try to take a trade, okay, so we will wait until we have a strong confirmation from the buying side. So let's see, market is okay, it's giving us some good signals from a strong level, and again reverses. What's happening? Okay, no worries. So this level for me is the range. If market break this level, we can take the trade. See, market reverses. Now why I'm taking this, because for me this is also a minor resistance level. Market reverses from that level, the buyers are not showing us any interest as of now, that they are interested to move the market in their direction. So we will wait for the next two candles only, and if we didn't find the opportunity, we will skip this chart and we'll finish this video. So let's see. See what what happened here is I don't see any instant rejection from buyer side. See, what I needed here is this dozy formation, the spinning top formation, and the instant rejection from the buyer side, and the candle closes like here. I must be placing a trade, but what I find here is rejection from the level, and again I'm finding a rejection from this level, and this is what is giving me some doubts in my mind that market may or may not go upward because it is moving strongly in the downward direction. Now again it retraces, it is again reversing. So what it is giving me, it is giving me doubts that it may or may not reverse. So we will wait for. Now what happened here, you can see the touches, one, two, three, almost four touches. So now it's not that trustworthy to take this level to take trade in the upward direction. What you can do here, you can wait for the breakout, and if you have the breakout from those support level, then you can go in the direction of that minor trend. So we will wait and see if we have the breakout, and for me it will, I think it will take time because the buyers and sellers are not showing any strength as of now. The buyers took the market from this level till this, and now again the sellers are in control. So what they will do, they will move in a box for some time, and then they will give breakout either in either direction. They can go up or down depending upon the interest of the trader. So we will wait for this candle. If this candle breaks this level, we will take the trade, otherwise we will finish this video. So let's see. Let me check the volume. Okay, the main problem is, you can see these, the movement is dead here. Actually the volume is very low, and that's why the momentum of the market is slow. That's why we are not finding instant rejections, instant breakout. That's why it is taking time. So this candle finishes above. So I think I will finish this video because I don't have that much time. I have other works to do also. So I will finish this video here, and hoping that I have explained my trade correctly. And if you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section. We also have a blogger website. The link is given in the video description, a Facebook page where you can follow. So keep trading, keep working hard, and on a trader's behalf, I am saying stay away from corona, be safe, keep learning. Good day.